I hope you're having an amazing day. So as you saw from the title of this video, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new LA Colors palettes that I have here. I found in my local Big Lots. And if you're interested, just keep on watching. I'm going to be sharing a lot of swatches. We're going to be having a swatch party. And I'm going to do a look using one of these palettes, which is why I did my face and everything, except my eyes, so we could do it together. And if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I have 3 new palettes, and let's start off with this one, which is LA Colors Stylish. And Stylish is really nice. It comes with a lot of reds and pinks. As you can see, it's really cute. All of these come with 12 eyeshadows, as well as one of these like little, like the old school applicators. Really cute. I did get all 3 because I just love collecting them. I'm gonna show you guys some old school ones that I have that came out a couple years ago. This is LA Colors palette in Stunning. And then they have one more, and this one's in Stellar. Also comes with the applicator. They all do. I love the gray versions, like because they all have like a pink, a like nude one, and then a like smoky-ish one. And I love these. I think this is like my favorite one, as well as Stunning, the one that we just saw. And in the back, they all do have like this little application source where it's like if you've never done eyeshadow, I guess, and it tells you like where to put the shades. So these are the 3 new ones that I've purchased, and I have to say that the packaging is really beautiful. I love this. And then let me show you guys the very first set that I bought from LA Colors, which I mentioned a couple times on my channel. This is their Rose palette. This was the packaging back then. This was like 2 years ago, I want to say, that I purchased it also at Big Lots, and these were the shades in here. Not my favorite, and I did give this away to my sister, but I did you know, borrow it. This is how this looks. See, it's like literally grays and a little bit of pink, some light shades on the side. And I do want to swatch all of these for you guys after I show them to you. This is the nude palette. This was my favorite one, also the smoky that I'm gonna show you right now. But as you can see, the packaging is different. The words were at the bottom. And yeah, this is the palette Nude. And then we have the Smoky palette, which was my top favorite. I would say maybe this one was like second runner, and then this was my first. I just love the Smoky palette because it does come with like deeper tones, not like the pink one. So these were the first 3 that came out, I believe, because these are the first ones that I saw, and these are still available in Dollar Tree. I've seen them a couple times, and these are really good as well. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend the rose one, but I really enjoy the nude and the smoky in all 3 collections. So this was the first set. The second step, they kind of stepped it up a bit, and they looked really cute. This is the Sassy palette. As you can see, I still have the sticker on it. Only $1 at Big Lots, so check out your Big Lots. But this were like the second set, and I love this packaging. It's really cute. I love that it says Sassy. So the Sassy palette, definitely the second time around they got it right. I feel like the pinks definitely stepped it up, and they added a purple in here and some golds and stuff. Way better than the first one that they had. And then the next palette was Classy, and I love how the words look. It's just really cute, and I really enjoy the packaging of this second set. This is a Classy palette. I love this one. This one's so pretty. Ugh. And then the last one is Flashy, which is another one of my favorites. And this one's in the gray packaging, gray blue packaging. And it's just so cute. This one's in Flashy. This is actually one that I was going to do a comparison video to the Subculture palette by ABH, but I just haven't gotten around to it. But this one's a really good one as well. So if you guys want, we could get into the eye look. I do want to use one of the new palettes, and since I am wearing pink lips, I actually want to tell you guys I did use this one yesterday, which is Stunning, and I went in with the 2 orange shades, which are these 2, the 2 matte shades, and they were so beautiful and so easy to apply on the eyes. I love LA Colors eyeshadows. They're just really good. It's super cheap and amazing. So I am gonna go into the stylish palette, and we are gonna get to the swatches. I just want to do my eye look first because I'm looking a little not cute. And I do want to mention, since I mentioned Dollar Tree, they actually have the color switch like dupe situation at Dollar Tree for only $1. This is how it looks. I do have some makeup finds on for the Dollar Tree. I just haven't posted them. I'm gonna post them real soon. We got some good stuff. So I purchased this because I needed a color switch because, you know, we all do. And it comes with this sticker, and it's not like in the middle. I didn't even notice that. That's not cute. A color switch is basically like a sponge in there, and you use it to clean your brushes. So this was only $1. So check your local Dollar Tree if you've been looking for some, because literally we went to Morphe yesterday. We went to the mall. At the Morphe store, they have one for like $18, which is just crazy to me. This one works just great, and it literally just removed all the color from a brush, and it was only $1. So check your local Dollar Tree if you've been looking for one. So they do have, it's like mostly shimmers. There are two mattes in this palette. So I am gonna dip into the shimmers for something in the crease. So I'm gonna go into this shade, and I know it's a shimmer, but you know what? We play with shimmers in the crease here in this household. And honestly, shimmers in the crease can be so pretty. It just looks so nice. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend at least once in your life try it, like break the rules. Let's go into the deep one right here and apply some of that too. And this look is gonna be so simple, yet beautiful. Let me know if you guys have tried these palettes. They're honestly really great for the price. You literally only pay $1, and the pigment on these is really great. I would say if you're picking between Santee makeup, like the Santee products that I talked about in my everything under $10 video that I'll have linked down below if you haven't watched it already. And if you're trying to pick between that one and this, because the Santee palettes are like $1.99, these are $1. I would say go with LA Colors. I love Santee products, but honestly, I think these shadows are just a little better, and they actually stay on your eyes. My dog's in here. Yeah. This is so pretty. Switch. Just like this. It works. Okay. We're gonna go into this little applicator that came in here, and I'm gonna go into this light shade, this light pink, and I'm just gonna put that on the inner portion of the eye. These applicators are cute. I just don't use them that much. I do keep them. I don't throw them out. Like, I have a little collection going on of these, but I just never use them. And then I'm gonna just go back in with those two shimmer shades again. Kind of intensify the outer corners. And then I'm just gonna take some on the under portion of the eyes. And I am getting a little bit of fallout. You know what? I'm gonna go into this deep shade since we're going in the bottom of the eyes. I am getting some fallout because I was playing with shimmer shades in the crease, so it's to be expected, but it's okay. I could just wipe it away. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner and some mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Evan liquid liner that I've been trying to use up for a while. This thing lasts forever. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm just going in with my Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. I'm actually a fan of this mascara for my top lashes, not so much for my bottom lashes, because the wand is so humongous that I just don't like it for my bottom lashes, but it's really great for the top lashes. This is such a wet formula. I don't think I would purchase like a full size of it, but for now I've really been enjoying using it. Some spray on. My makeup is now complete. That was my Ebin air powered spray that I love and I've raved about. Just so good. So I love how this eye look came out. Finally my look is complete and now we could swatch. So should we start with the new ones or should we start with the old? I just want to start out with the old ones. So first we're going to swatch the Rose palette, the one that I showed you guys earlier. And let's see how these swatch out. I've had this palette for quite a while. So let me swatch this and then I'll show you guys the results. So we're having a swatch party right now. If you're interested, just keep on watching. If not, thank you so much for being here. Definitely reminded me why I'm not a fan of this palette. It's just, ugh. The nude palette that I'm showing you guys swatched out way better than the Rose. And when you smell them, they do kind of smell like baby powder. They smell good. So I just swatched the Smoky palette. This is my personal favorite, as I mentioned. It's just really amazing and definitely did notice a difference when swatching that these shadows in this palette are much more creamy and just more pigmented overall. And these are the swatches for the Smoky palette. Yeah, definitely my favorite, definitely the one that I recommend. Also the nude one is really amazing. So these were the first three that they came out with. Now we're gonna go to the second set. I'm gonna swatch the Sassy palette and this is the pinky one, and this one is much better than the first one that they came out with. The rose one is just not doing it. No, nobody needs that one in their life, but these are amazing. The formula did improve with these and I'm gonna show you right now. These are much more pigmented than that first rose one. So moving on to the Classy palette. Now I'm gonna swatch this one for you guys. One of my personal favorites along with Flashy. Both of them are amazing. I love these. And yeah, this one's so perfect for every day. Now we're gonna swatch the Flashy palette, another amazing palette. This is the palette that I said I was gonna compare to the Subculture, and it's just really pretty. The gray palettes do swatch a lot better just because the shades are darker, but you know, it doesn't, swatches don't really determine how they're going to perform on the eyes because all of them are amazing except for that pink one, the first one. I just don't like that one, but I love the ones in the gray packaging because they're super pigmented and the shades are way darker. Definitely show up on my skin tone and I just really enjoy them. Now we're gonna move into the new palette. I haven't swatched them, so I'm super excited to see how they swatch out. As you can see, I did make a nice look out of this palette and I really did enjoy working with it, and I love how this look came out. It just looks really beautiful and pinky and just girly, and I love it. I have to say that these are way more pigmented than the other pink ones that we've seen so far. I really like it and I can't wait to use this shade right here at the top. It's just super vibrant. As you can see, it like stands out. And imagine that like on the lid, maybe doing like a cut crease. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna swatch the palette Stunning, and it's definitely accurate. This palette is stunning. Yeah, so let's swatch this one. And I just say that this palette definitely surprised me when swatching, that all the shades are as beautiful as they look in the pan. It's definitely beautiful and I can't wait to dip into this one again. And the last one I know might be my favorite out of all of them is the Stellar palette, and I can't wait to dip into this one. This is the only one that I haven't dipped into at all, so let's see how this swatches out. Okay, can I just say that that black blew me away. It is so pigmented. I just can't wait to use this palette. It's just really great. These are the swatches. Can you believe how pigmented that black is? Oh my gosh. And it contains greens and blues. This is definitely like an alien palette. It's giving me some alien vibes. Kind of like the Jeffree Star palette. Stellar. Really nice. I can't wait to use it on my eyes. So that's it. Oh my god, I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches and the eye look and everything on these new palettes from LA Colors, as well as some revisiting of some older palettes. These are definitely still in my collection. As you know, this one's out of here, but yeah, definitely recommend LA Colors palettes, especially these dollar ones. I do have some other LA Colored palettes that I really enjoy, but I definitely recommend you check them out. And like I said, I did find these at my local Big Lots. Yeah, and they're just beautiful, and I definitely recommend Stellar. And just these three are amazing, and they definitely stepped it up from the other two collections that we just saw. So yeah, I definitely recommend these if you haven't tried them out. They're only $1. Literally all of these palettes, $6 worth of palettes here with such a variety, even though like they're all kind of like the same color situation, like color story. They're different, like they're all different. Let me show you the pinks together and all the bronzes together, as well as all the gray ones together, just so you guys get a like a feel for how different they actually are. So this is the older one. This is Rose. This is the middle one, which is the second collection, and then this one's the new one. As you can see, there's definitely a difference. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today, and I hope you enjoyed the swatches. I hope you enjoyed the comparisons and stuff, and I hope it helped you in any way, and it showed you that these palettes are really amazing and only $1. Obviously not sponsored, but you know, so check your local Big Lots and stuff. Yeah, they're just all so amazing and super cheap, and it's crazy that they're only $1, and they're just so cute and compact and amazing for traveling if you travel places. Yeah, definitely recommend. So all of the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. If you're interested in those, everything is down there in the description box below. I also have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of finds from drugstore to high-end. I do like makeup finds and stuff, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and follow me there. I also have a Facebook page, so if you want to follow me there, that would be amazing as well if you want to support. I am going to be working on a new project soon, so I would hope you guys follow me there, because that's probably where it's going to be launching. I don't know yet. I'm still figuring out the details, but yeah, there's something coming up for me and I'm super excited. And if you could like and subscribe, of course you don't have to, you are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.